Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Family. Now we're going to be looking at some family vocabularies. As we are still on family, and family relations, family. Some of the words that you probably may not have learned as we go along. And I know that I will just revise even the ones that you learned while you're in primary. Okay, so everything that you know about family, about extended family, what it is all about, some new vocabularies, we'll let them in English and try to translate it in French so that you might know what it are. So we know that there is mom and there is mother. That we know. And of course, the O could also be you are. It doesn't matter. And we know that there is dad or daddy, and then we know that there is father. Okay. And then after that we have brother, of course sister, and then of course you have like a baby brother or baby sister. Okay. And then you have uncle and aunt, okay, or auntie if you want it, auntie. And then of course you have cousins, and then you have nephew or niece, And then, so let's start with this. We know that dad, mom would be maman. We know that already. And that mother would be mère. So daddy would be papa. And father would be père. And then we know that brother is frère. Sister is sœur. And then baby brother, baby sister. Baby c'est déjà bébé. But a baby brother or baby sister could be Benjamin ou la Benjamine. So if I say my baby sister, ça signifie que soit c'est ma sœur qui est bébé, ou bien soit elle est la dernière parmi nous tous. So that is baby. That's why I put these 3 dots. So it could be my baby sister, my baby brother, And then uncle is oncle, on le sait déjà. Auntie is tante, cousin, c'est unisex. Even if you're a woman or a man, on n'a pas cousin, cousine. Cousin, cousine, pour nous, en général, grosso modo, is cousin, and it's pronounced cousin. This S is pronounced like a Z. And then nephew, c'est neveu. Okay, and of course, niece, comme Ville de France, is la nièce. So you have neveu et nièce, and you have cousin, qui est cousin ou cousine. Okay, and then you have, in other structures, or other vocab words would be twins or triplets. Twins, c'est jumeaux ou jumelles. Twins, it has jumeaux ou jumelles. C'est comme cousin, qui est cousin, cousine. Twins, jumeaux, jumelles. Triplets sont des triplés. Okay, so those are some of the vocabularies. And of course you have, I'm going to add it here, grandparents. Grandparents, qui sont les grands-parents. So you can have grandpa, grandfather, granddaddy, grandma, grandmother, grandmommy. C'est les grands-parents. Okay, and then les petits-fils, les petits-fils becomes grandkids. Grandkids. Mais si c'est un petit-fils, it becomes a grandson, or une petite fille, a granddaughter. Okay, and then if it is arrière-grand-parents, c'est-à-dire les parents des grands-parents, arrière-grand-parents, it is arrière is great, grand, parents. Ça c'est arrière-grand-parents, grands-parents et les grands-enfants, grands petits-fils, petites-filles. Okay, so that is some of the vocabulary, just so you know. Arrière, arrière-grands-parents. This is petit-fils ou petite-fille. Ou petite-fille. Okay, this is un neveu. And then you have nièce, jumelle, jumeau. And then you have triplet. Of course, voisin, voisine is a neighbor. Voisin, voisine, c'est presque comme cousin, cousine, which is unisex. Voisin, voisine, neighbor. Neighbor is voisin, voisine. Ok? Et puis quand tu as un demi-frère ou une demi-sœur, you know, you say step. Step sister. Step brother. It is demi-frère et demi-sœur.
Tape www.suivi d'école au Sénégal.